Okay, here we have the stone foundation, and we have these crevices down through here. It almost looks like maybe it's separated, but I don't think that's what happened. I think what happened is when the water was coming in there and destroyed the sill, it came down through here. The shortest, easiest way down was to come through here and run down, and therefore it took all the stuff, the mortar, or probably hard dirt, more like it, out of these spots. So what I'm going to do is I have the mortar mixed really thin, and I'm starting to fill in. So we'll take, you have to be patient, take your time. I like to wet it down some. I first swept it out pretty good. I mean, you can't get everything because it's, there's loose stuff in there. So we're just kind of watering it down. And now we're going to shove some in there. Kind of shove it back in the best we can. Now we love the stone look, but we need a solid, so just a little at a time. And we're going to shove some back in and kind of get the top and the sides. And just kind of keep working it in there. This mortar has fiber mixed in it, and it sticks really good. Make sure you clean your tools right away because it really hardens on. And then I'm going to switch up and start another area. And you just kind of keep going back and forth from area to area. And eventually you'll have them all filled in. And if your mortar starts to get hard, just put a little water on it to keep it moist. And just keep going on each area.